Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Adik Fahmi bin Muhammad Riza. Right now, I want to introduce my group members.
My name is Muhammad Aiman Alif bin Ahmad Zulfikri.
My name is Muhammad Adan Najmi bin Izam Zuri.
My name is Muhammad Nur Haita bin Azli.
My name is Muhammad Ilyas bin Zamari and we are from Investment Analysis Student BA 114-4B. For subject FIN348 Technical Analysis, we'll introduce Inari as our public listed company. We will start with Aiman Ali.
Introduction. Inari Technology Sdn Berhad was founded in June 2006. Inari Technology focused on back-end semiconductor packaging. In 2013, Inari Berhad bought Amatron Global. Today, Inari Amatron Group was become multinational corporation, also known as MNC, with 9 facilities across 3 countries in Malaysia, China, and the Philippines, and 5,000 employees were working with Inari. Many investors are interested in investing in Inari Amatron because the company's success. Hisas Berhad is a significant shareholder in the firm as they are among the top investors. Next, I will proceed with Haikal.
Next, we move to comparative analysis, which is to compare Inari with FPM KLCI. Comparison chart is a chart that draws a comparison between 2 or more items on different parameters. This show in Inari Amatron is a bullish market because there's a new project that joint venture with MIT Semiconductor, known as MSPL, to set up semiconductor process tool manufacturing plant. Next, we move to trend analysis.
Trend analysis is a statistical technique that analyzes historical trend in order to predict future movement of a variable. In other words, it's a method for predicting future behaviors based on previous one. Trend analysis gauges display real-time rating for the selected time frame. The summary for Inari Amatron Berhad is based on the most popular technical indicators such as moving average, oscillators, and pivots. Results are available at a quick glance. To conclude, we discovered that Inari Amatron Berhad is reinvesting in the company, but returns have been decreasing. Long-term shareholders, on the other hand, received a stunning 211% return in the last 5 years. Thus, the market appears to be optimistic about the future. However, we did not get our hopes up too high unless these underlying trends change. Next, I will proceed with Adam Najmi.
Price pattern. Rectangle is continuation pattern that forms as a trading range. The high and low can be connected to form 2 parallel lines that make up the top and bottom of a rectangle. Rectangles are sometimes referred to as trading range, consolidation zone, and congestion areas. When this rectangle appear from downtrend, we can entry some share from company because after this pattern finish, the price will going up and we can take a profit. Next, to triple bottom. Triple bottom are reversal pattern that from the price hit a support and or resistance level 3 times before the price turn around and move in the opposite direction. Triple bottom are bullish reversal pattern. We should entry and buy some share when this pattern appear because this pattern is bullish reversal pattern and the price will fly and go up, so we can get the profit from that. The third is head and shoulder tops. Head and shoulder tops are reversal pattern that from as the price hit a resistance level, forming the first shoulder, then breaks through the first resistance level and hits a higher resistance level, forming the hit, and then hit the first resistance level again, forming the second shoulder. Head and shoulder tops are bearish reversal pattern, so the investor and trader needs and always sell their share when the price at the second shoulder, because them know the price will going down when they see and know this pattern price. Okay, next I will proceed to Ilyas.
So right now, I will introduce about technical overlay for single SMA 20 and 50 days. There are two types of single SMA that we use. First one is 20 days and the second one is 50 days. Single SMA is solved by computing the average price of security over specific number of periods. If the closing price above moving average, it triggered buy signal for investors. As you can see at the slide, there are many types of buy signal and also for 20 days, but for the 50 days, there are less type of buy signal, but they are start increasing for sell signal. Next, double SMA also be considered in this interpretation. Double SMA, there are two types of buy signal and sell signal. The first one is death cross. Death cross is happen when the shorter average crosses below the longer average. The shorter average crosses means 20 days and the longer average means 50 days. Golden cross happens when shorter average crosses above longer average. Means the golden cross is buy signal and death cross is sell signal. Moving on to the technical indicators and oscillators, I will introduce about moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Moving average convergence divergence (MACD) is one of the most well-known indicators in technical analysis. There are several types of crossover rules that will signal buy and sell. The first one is crossover rules. The second one is centerline crossover, and the third one is divergence. This type of crossover rule to indicate the buy and sell signal for the investor here to allocate the buy and sell signal. Moving on to the Muhammad Adi.
Technical indicator and oscillators. The stochastic oscillator is a range-bound momentum oscillator. The stochastic indicator is designed to display the location of the close compared to the high or low range over a use-defined number of periods. Typically, the stochastic oscillator is used for three things: identifying overbought and oversold level, spotting divergence, and also identifying bull and bear setup or signal. The indicators Inari closed up 0.16% on Wednesday, June 23, 2021 on 1.11 times normal volume. Note that the stock is in overbought territory based on its low stochastic indicator 14, 3 and 3. Sideways movement or a pullback should not be unexpected. Next, I will proceed with Aiman Alif.
Williams percentage R. The Williams percentage R, also known as the Williams percent range, it is the sort of momentum indicator that gauges overbought and oversold levels and swings between 0 and negative 100. The Williams percent R may be used to discover market entry and exit point. As we can see in the PowerPoint, the indicator is below the oversold line on September and December 2020 and February, March, April, May and June 2021 as indicated by the green arrow, and then cross over the negative 18 line. When the market gives the signal, we shall buy. The red arrow indicates that the market is overbought and then falls below the negative 20 line on August and November 2020 and February, March, April, May and June 2021. When the market gives the signal to sell, we should do so. Next, Haikal.
Next, we move to Relative Strength Index (RSI). In RSI have two: overbought, oversold, and also divergence. Oversold is where that the investor will to decide want to buy and sell. From this indicator, oversold show that when RSI drop below 30%, and for overbought is when RSI goes above 70%. Next, in divergence, we can see bullish divergence from the chart above. Bullish divergence formed in the end of March 2021, early of April 2021. Divergence tend to be more robust when they form after an overbought or oversold reading. Next, we move to Adam Najmi.
ROC, rate of change, is indicator that measure percentage of change of the current price as compared to price a certain number of period ago. ROC also help to confirm price movement or detect divergence. ROC is also oscillator that fluctuate above and below zero line. For ROC by signal is if ROC value less than zero and either cross above the zero line. For ROC cell signal, it happen when the ROC value is greater than zero or ROC MA cross below zero line. Conclusion: we need to make analysis to invest the money and get a return in the future. Both trader and investor is to have some share from this company Inari because the fundamental and technical analysis is good and the company is running well for their business to make a comeback and profit after this pandemic and MCO. Based on MACD, ROC, RSI, stochastic and William percent R, we recommended all type of investor and trader to buy the stock of this company because we can see the company has gaining profit from the indicator that been used above. That's all from us. Thank you for watching this video.